Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky.
Imagine having a personal assistant who doesn't stare at you all day waiting for orders, but instead sits quietly until a specific signal happens, then jumps into action immediately.
That's exactly what an event-driven agent is.
They are smart software programs that stay on standby and automatically act whenever a specific trigger occurs.
So, what is a trigger?
A trigger, or an event, can be anything from receiving a new email, detecting a change in a database, or even a hardware sensor detecting movement. Instead of running code over and over to check if something happened, these agents wait for the event to be published.
Let's look at a real-time example: smart home security. Imagine it's midnight.
A motion sensor near your garage detects movement.
That movement is the event.
The event-driven agent instantly wakes up, turns on the outdoor lights, starts recording video, and sends an urgent notification to your smartphone, all in a fraction of a second.
One huge benefit of event-driven agents is efficiency. Traditional programs often run constantly in the background, consuming electricity and computer power just checking, is there new data yet? Event-driven agents remain idle until needed. This conserves computing resources, lowers server costs, and saves energy. Another big advantage is speed. Because these agents react immediately to events, they provide ultra-fast, low-latency responses.
This is critical for time-sensitive tasks like detecting credit card fraud the moment a suspicious purchase occurs, or sending instant customer support alerts. Finally, event-driven agents make software systems more flexible through loose coupling. This just means different software tools can talk to each other smoothly without being tightly glued together. If one tool breaks or updates, the rest of the system keeps working fine. To wrap up, event-driven agents save power by sleeping until triggered, respond in real time, and help systems work together seamlessly.
Whether in smart homes, financial security, or cloud apps, they are changing how software gets things done automatically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.